Okay, this is question 20 on the foundation non-calculator paper. The question says, this person, Safir, buys 60 bags. She pays £3 for each bag. She sells half the bags for £5 each. She sells a third of the bags for £4 each. She wants to make a total profit of £75. How much should she sell the remaining bags for? Okay, I'm going to write down a couple of things next to the question, right? So if she buys 60 bags for £3 each, so how much does she pay for them all together? 60 times 3, 6 3 is 18, so that's £180 she paid all together. Half the bags for £5, so half of 60, so that's 30 bags. Right, so 30 bags for £5, 30 bags for £5, so she's going to make 30 times 5 for that, and a third. Now a third means divide by 3, and 60 divided by 3, so a third of the bags is going to be 20, so how much money does she make from that? 20 times 4. And they said that she wants to make a profit altogether of £75, so she paid 180 for it, so she wants to make 180 plus £75. Now I've just done that now, right, just as a rough calculation, and you could do that quite quickly, right, thinking about this, because this question is made up of many stages, because this last stage says how much money should she sell the remaining bags for. So I'm going to write it out properly now. She paid for the bags. Okay, so how much did she pay for the bags? 60 times 3, which is £180. Okay, to make a profit of £75, right, so if she wants to make a profit of £75, she needs to sell how much? 180 plus 75, so 180 plus 75. If I go off to one side and do 180 add 75, 0 add 5 is 5, 8 add 7 is 15, carry 1, £225 altogether. That's how much, sorry, £255 altogether. That's how much money she needs to sell all the bags for. So she sold half for, and she sold half the bags, which was 30 of them, for £5 each. 5 3 is 15, so that's £150. She sold a third for, let's see, £20 each, so that's 20 times 4. 20 times 4 is 80. So altogether, so far, she's made 150 plus 80, and that's £230. So she needs to sell the remainder for, okay, so she wants to make a profit of £255, so she needs to sell what's left, the remainder, what's the bags left behind, which cost her 230, which she's made £230 so far, so she needs to sell the remainder for £25. Now how many bags has she got left behind? So she bought 60 originally, she sold half of them, which is 30, and then she sold a third of them, which is 20. So 30 add 20 is 50. 60 take away 50 is 10 bags remaining. Okay, so she has 10 bags remaining. Now what does that tell you? Okay, so she needs to sell each bag for £25 shared by 10. So 25 divided by 10 is going to be £2.50. And that's what I'm going to write in the answer space, £2.50. Now this is quite a long-winded question. There are many stages to this. And what I suggest is you read the question, think about what I've done, think about each step of the workings, each step of the process. Make sure you can do it yourself, and make sure if you get a question similar to this, you can get full marks in it.